We're here in the streets of Vienna trying to learn Viennese from these friends, these two friends, all the way from. These guys are from here, and we're doing a little something, a little content here. Let's see if I can perfect Viennese. Is it Viennese? Do you call it Viennese?
Yes, Wienerisch.
Viennese.
Yes.
Yeah. So we have here. What's your good name again?
Amelie.
Emily and
My name is Steve.
Steve and Emily. So these guys are from here. She's a content creator. Do check her page out, and she is doing many types of content. You just give her a follow and you'll never regret. And we have Steve here, a friend, and we're doing a content together. It's like first international collab, man.
Yes, man. Yes.
So okay, let's go with the thing. How do you want me to say it?
Avanzi mit euch.
Avanci middays.
Yes.
Right? Avanci middays. Avanci middays. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Avanci middays. Okay.
Perfect.
Avanci
I
middays.
just need to come, please.
Yeah. Avanci middays. Just hold the camera there. Okay. Avanci middays.
Okay.
I'll be coming to you and like Avanci middays.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Yeah, something like that?
Yes.
Avanci middays. Okay. Done. Oh no, I'll have to stand now.
Yes.
Because after you react. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Tell me when you're ready.
Ready.
Avanci middays.
Yeah. That's good. That was very good. That was very good.
So do check this content out here. We did 2 contents with these guys. Emily was really good, along with Steve. You are a born actor, man.
He's one of the best content creators. Giving also more likes and also share it with the whole world.
So also one thing, I think you guys are a little late now. I think
Yes.
you are in a hurry. So before going, I think I'll need my mic back first.
Yes.
And
Please, before we
That you
forget.
remember. We almost forget before.
Yes. It's so
okay.
light.
Yeah, it's very light. That's why it's convenient to carry anywhere.
Yeah,
it's
that's
really-
very good.
So if there's anything that you would like to suggest, anyone from coming from outside the country, what would you like to suggest them? What is your advice when they come to Vienna? What should they try? What should they go see?
I think that's Stevie's part.
I think when they're in art, they have to watch or they have to visit the Kunsthistorisches Museum. There are like art from Caravaggio and also very special artists. If you like something to eat, you have to go in Figlmüller, best Viennese escalope what you can imagine, or schnitzel how we say it in Vienna. And of course we have to visit a coffee house here in Vienna and order a melange or a cappuccino.
Ah, lovely. So how to live, rather how to walk, how to talk, how to become Viennese in just about 2 days, let's say.
It's easy. You have to be a little bit grumpy, but in a nice way. That's the perfect art of a Viennese man or woman. Yes, a little bit grumpy, always with a little schmäh. That's like the joke inside.
Okay.
You had a decent start now with this practice.
Okay. Now you're getting a lot of tips and tricks if you are in Vienna. So if you are here in Vienna, I would suggest you get in touch with these guys. I think they know the city well.
We are not on the Nudelsuppen dahergeschwommen.
That's nice. So now another question. Now if you're in Vienna, apart from everything that you see and all that, so what are the other experiences that one must do? Could be walking or bicycle.
You
or
have to
what
go
would
absolutely
you-
to Augarten.
Okay.
Augarten is a very nice place. You have to visit the Viennese Prater.
Yeah,
That's like
I was there.
You was there?
I was there. I was on the roller coaster and I
Yes.
lost my cap.
Yes, that happens sometimes there. You have also to visit one Würstelstand, that's a sausage stand, because that's like culture here in Vienna. And you have to travel once with the underground or with the tramway. That's an absolutely must.
yes.
And please buy always a ticket.
Yes. We tried figuring out. We tried figuring out the ticket on the first day, and we nearly got lost because there were so many things we can't really choose. We had to take help from many people, but thankfully they were not all grumpy. So they came, they
Really
smiled,
nice,
they
nice.
smiled, and all of the people that I've reached out to for direction, for all that, they're actually nice. I mean, I don't know, but for me, they're really
Because you're a
nice.
tourist. If you're not a tourist, they will say like "Gescheißen, Alter." Schlechte Haare.
Geschnessen Neude. So, if you have to give me a Viennese name,
Ferdinand.
Oh yeah, I already have
Ferdinand
one.
is one of
I already
the
have
typical-
one. Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes.
absolutely.
Tell me about this emperor when you told me about Ferdinand.
So the previous Austrian king, the Kaiser, was named Kaiser Franz Ferdinand.
Uh-huh.
So this was actually one of the first things we talked about because we thought
Oh.
he might be Austrian or with Austrian heritage also.
Yes. And they thought that I'm Austrian. So nice. So I'm already giving you the Austrian impression even before you get to know me, you know.
Absolutely.
That was nice. But sadly, the emperor was assassinated, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah. But well, Ferdinand is here now. Not that Ferdinand, but here I am here, and it's good to know that it is a celebrated name here in Austria. So I'm gonna cherish that name the rest of my life.
100%.
And but actually, my my Instagram name, my social media name, per se, is Code Freeman, not Ferdinand.
Oh, okay.
So it's Code Freeman. So it's CODEFREEMAN. So it's
Oh,
like,
nice.
it's like born of a free spirit. So
Perfect.
Code Freeman. Yeah.
Nice, very
So,
nice.
but it was lovely meeting you guys,
You
man.
too, man.
Thank you so much.
So lovely to meet
And
you.
I
Thank you
will
so
definitely
much.
collaborate
Let's
the
stay
thing.
in touch.
Yes, please.
You're also on Instagram?
No, I just support him.
You should get on Instagram also. Yeah, we can collaborate with each other.
Oh,
no, like,
maybe.
You
Maybe
should.
he will
You should.
find
You
out.
should.
But it's so nice. Please follow on Mr. Ferdinand, one of the greatest content creators.
Thanks, man. Thanks,
Bye,
Steve.
guys.
Yeah. Bye, bye.
Thank you so much.
And drop a comment, drop some love for Steve and Emily here. And if you are here in Vienna, I must say, just reach out to Emily and Steve here. They will help you see around and then maybe advise something. What do you need to see the local way?
Absolutely.
Or maybe explore Vienna the local style. you know?
Absolutely.
Pure Viennese.
Bye bye.
Gescheißen, Alter.
Geschäftsneude. Yeah, man, cool.